have Cynthia Jenkins here, aka Sugar Mama with OC Insight. And you don't want to piss her off because she's got beautiful form. And in a couple minutes, she's going to hit it a little harder and show you what she's really got. Excellent focus. Look at those arms. Great definition. Superb. Give me 3 more, whatever you want to do, girl. 2. Actually, you know what? How about some hooks? Let's throw some hooks in there. Use your breath. Body blows. Nice. Excellent. Okay, 5, 4, 3. Look at those beautiful arms. 2. Last one.